So if your deck or your siding looks like Swiss cheese from carpenter bees drilling holes into the wood, and you've already tried sprays, wood putty, and expanding foam, and the bees just keep coming back, then you'll definitely want to check out this. So let's go over the Carpenter Bee Blocker Pro plugs from BB Pro. I'm gonna go over what these actually are, then go over a demo of how they install, and talk about who this kit is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So this is a 30 count of stainless steel mesh plugs designed to permanently seal Carpenter bee entry holes in wood. It's a no spray mechanical solution, so there's no chemicals at all. And the kit comes with the plugs, a precision install tool, and an extension pole adapter, so you can reach high spots without a ladder. And this is the patented BB Pro system, and it meets US regulatory standards for pesticide devices. Okay, so let's have a look at the bottle here. Go ahead and open it so you can see what we get. Right. Here's everything. So here are our mesh screens. Have a look at those. Really small. And then you get this little pole adapter that threads onto a standard extension pole. So each plug is about 1 3/8 inches across, and they are built out of 304 stainless steel mesh, which is the same grade of steel used in outdoor hardware that's expected to live outside in weather for years. And the build quality here is really solid. It's a really simple product here, but the mesh feels, rigid, and the screens are sized to friction fit into the standard 1/2 inch hole that a Carpenter bee drills. So just see how tough this is. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it. It takes a little bit of strength. There we go. So it is very malleable as well, as you can see, so it can really fit into the hole. These are also rust resistant and stain proof. So these are going onto your fascia boards, your cedar siding, your deck posts, places that get rained on and sit in the sun all summer. And because it's stainless, you're not going to get those ugly rust streaks running down your wood the way you would with a regular steel screw or staple. And that of course matters a lot if you've got premium siding like cedar or log cabin timber, or streaking would ruin the look. And the whole idea here is friction fit, so no glue, no chalk, no putty, and you just push the plug into the hole with the install tool, and the mesh expands against the wood and locks in place. So wood and putty, expanding foam, are temporary, they shrink, they crack, they get pushed out, and the bees just chew right back through. And the stainless mesh doesn't degrade in weather, and the bees physically can't get through it. So it's a permanent structural seal instead of a yearly repair job. Okay, so the precision tool, how is this used? So very simple. There are two options. You can put the stainless steel on the top right here, and then plug it in like this, or you can put it on the top of the pole right here. This is the adapter. So again, you would just screw this onto your standard pole, and then you'd go ahead and fit the precision tool right on in, just like that. And you could then put it on top here and plug any hole. And of course you can use this option as well with your pole also. So it's incredibly simple and easy to use. So who is this kit for? This is really for anyone who's already noticing carpenter bee damage on their property. That classic perfectly round 1/2 inch hole drilled into a fascia board, a deck rail, a cedar post, or under the eaves of a roof. If you're seeing those holes and a few bees hovering around the same spot every spring, this is built for you. It's also a really good fit if you're already tried the spray and pray approach and the bees keep coming back. The plugs are what stops the re-entry cycle once the spray clears them out. And it's a great DIY product. One person can do the whole job. You don't need, a partner holding a ladder. So who this is not for. So if you have zero damage yet and just want a preventative, around your yard, this is, isn't really the right tool. There are no holes to plug yet. This is, for properties that already have visible bee activity. And of course, if you're a professional pest control company doing whole house treatments, you'll probably want the 200 count version and not this one. So in my opinion, if you've got carpenter bees drilling into your wood and you're tired of the wood putty, the spray cans, and the cycle of fixing the same holes every year, this is definitely worth checking out.